Hi there, students. Ambit. Okay, ambit is an uncountable noun. I think we use ambit mostly nowadays to mean scope. Yeah, the range of limits, the range of influence of something. So, these subjects are outside the ambit of our discussions. Everything to do with language falls within the ambit of my videos. Okay, within the range, within the reach, within the scope of something. Yeah. This inside my ambit? Okay, this subject is very complicated, and it is beyond the ambit of just one video. So yes, I could make one video about the subjunctive, but I think the subjunctive is complicated, and I think it's beyond the ambit of one video, or at least one of my videos. I think it needs various different ones. So let's see. In the past, the old meaning of ambit was the boundary, the limits of a place. Yeah, so you could talk about the ambit of a house or of a manor. These are the limits to the land. But nowadays, I think all of these other meanings are obsolete. We just use ambit, meaning the scope. So beyond the ambit of, within the ambit of. Use it instead of scope. Scope itself is a good word. Ambit is a really good word. Yeah. Do you think this falls within the ambit of human justice? Or not, okay, within the scope, within the limits of. But nowadays we're talking about the mental limits of something, not a physical line. Hiring and firing people is not within the ambit of my responsibility in this company. Yeah, it's not within the bounds of what I'm allowed to do. Okay, deciding if people are guilty or innocent is beyond the ambit of a policeman. Yeah, innocence or guilt is the ambit of the justice system. That is the ambit of the courts. Okay, that's the scope of the bounds, the limits, the range. Yeah, where it might have effect on something. Yeah, the scope of influence. So yes, what happens in North Korea is beyond the ambit of American power. Yeah, it's so here the ambit, an area in which something acts, it has control. So Belarusia is within the ambit of Russia. Yeah, it's within the power or within the control of. It's inside its scope. We are going to negotiate a contract about a range of products. But first of all, we need to decide the things that fall within the ambit of our discussions. Yeah, within the range, within the scope, within the reach, within the radius thereof. Okay, within the periphery of them. Okay, so ambit is a good word for scope. Let's see, ambit, formality. I'm going to give it a 6.5 in formality. I think use it in I wouldn't use it informally, in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal or formal writing. And then as to origin, we've got a Latin word ambitus, meaning a circuit, and ambire, to go round and round. Okay, so yeah, it's the area where you can go round. So there you go, Ambit. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Ambit, within the ambit of, outside the ambit of.